The giants of our planet, the elephants, are among the most majestic creatures in existence. From the vast savannas of Africa to the dense forests of Asia, they roam as lords of their domains. Watching a herd move gracefully across the landscape is a sight that leaves an indelible mark on anyone fortunate enough to witness it. Despite their immense size, these animals display a surprising grace and gentleness in their movements. Their history is as rich and varied as the landscapes they inhabit. The evolutionary journey of elephants is a tale of transformation and adaptation. The ancestors of modern elephants were small, pig-sized creatures known as Moeritherium. These early ancestors lived around 37 million years ago in what is now northern Africa. Unlike their descendants, they did not have trunks or large tusks, but were well adapted to their swampy habitats. As time passed, elephants underwent significant changes. Around 20 million years ago, a new lineage known as the Dinotherium emerged. These creatures were larger and had downward curving tusks. They lived in forests and grasslands, feeding on a variety of vegetation. Then came the Pleistocene epoch, which saw the rise of the mammoths. These iconic creatures, with their long curved tusks and woolly coats, roamed the cold regions of the northern hemisphere. Mammoths were well adapted to the harsh climates of the Ice Age, using their tusks to dig through snow and ice to find food. Their close relatives, the mastodons, also thrived during this period, occupying forested regions of North America and Eurasia. Modern elephants belonging to the genus Loxodonta in Africa and Elephas in Asia emerged around 7 million years ago. These species have continued to evolve. The African elephant, for instance, has larger ears to help regulate body temperature, while the Asian elephant has a more domed head and a single finger-like projection at the tip of its trunk. One of the most remarkable adaptations of all elephants is their trunk. This elongated nose, which is a fusion of the upper lip and nose, is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. The trunk is highly muscular and flexible, capable of delicate movements as well as immense strength. They use their trunks for a variety of purposes, including feeding, drinking, social interactions, and even as a snorkel when swimming. The development of the trunk was a significant evolutionary step for elephants. It allowed them to access a wider range of food sources, from high branches to low-lying shrubs. The trunk's versatility also enabled elephants to drink by sucking up water and then squirting it into their mouths. Additionally, the trunk serves as a vital tool for social bonding, as elephants use it to touch and caress each other, reinforcing social ties within the herd. Tusks, another distinctive feature of elephants, are elongated incisor teeth that continue to grow throughout an elephant's life. These impressive structures are used for a variety of functions, including digging for water or roots, stripping bark from trees, and as formidable weapons in defense against predators. Another fascinating aspect of these giants is their social structure. It's complex and deeply rooted in familial bonds. Elephants live in matriarchal societies, where the oldest and often largest female leads the herd. This matriarch plays a crucial role in guiding the group, making decisions about when and where to move, and maintaining social harmony. Her experience and knowledge are vital for the survival of the herd, especially during times of scarcity or danger. Herds are typically composed of related females and their offspring, forming a tight-knit community. The bonds between members are strong, with elephants displaying remarkable empathy and cooperation. They are known to care for sick or injured members, assist in the birth of calves, and mourn their dead. Male elephants, known as bulls, usually leave the herd when they reach adolescence. They either live solitary lives or form loose associations with other males, known as bachelor groups. Bulls may rejoin female herds during mating season, but their primary social interactions are with other males. These interactions often involve displays of strength and dominance, which are essential for establishing hierarchy and access to mating opportunities. Communication within elephant herds is sophisticated and multifaceted. Elephants use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and even seismic signals to convey messages. Trumpeting calls, low-frequency rumbles, and tactile gestures such as trunk touches are all part of their communication repertoire. They are also renowned for their intelligence, which is evident in their problem-solving abilities, memory, and emotional depth. Their brains are large and highly developed, particularly in areas associated with communication, social interaction, and emotional processing. Their cognitive abilities are comparable to those of great apes and cetaceans. One of the most impressive aspects of elephant intelligence is their memory. Elephants can remember the locations of water sources and feeding grounds over vast distances and many years. This remarkable memory is crucial for their survival, especially in environments where resources can be scarce. Elephants also exhibit complex problem-solving skills. They have been observed using tools such as branches to swat flies or leaves to plug water holes. They can work collaboratively to achieve goals such as moving large objects or rescuing a stranded calf. Emotionally, elephants display a wide range of feelings, including joy, grief, and compassion. They are known to celebrate births, mourn their dead, and even show empathy towards other species. Protecting these animals and their ivory is crucial for maintaining the health and resilience of their habitats. Their intelligence, social complexity, and ecological roles inspire awe and reverence, highlighting the need for a harmonious coexistence between humans and wildlife. Let us celebrate and protect the giants of the earth, ensuring that their grandeur and mystery endure for years to come.